How to add PayPal button to WIX website builder. First, go to the homepage of your WIX website. In the upper right corner, you'll see a button that says Edit Site or Design Site. Click on that. This will take you into the WIX editor where you can make changes to your site. Next, in the upper left corner, there's a drop-down arrow. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all the pages on your site. Pick the page where you want to add the PayPal button and click on its name to go to that page. Now, look at the page and decide where you want to place the PayPal button. Once you know where you want it, click on the plus icon in the upper left corner. This will let you add new elements to the page. When you click the plus icon, a menu will pop up. Hover your mouse over Payments, and you'll see different payment button options. Find the PayPal button you like, then click and drag it to the spot on the page where you want it to be. After you've placed the button, you'll need to set it up with your PayPal info. Click on Add PayPal Info. A window will pop up asking for your PayPal email and some other details. Fill in all the required information. Once you've entered all your PayPal info, click the X button to close the settings window. Then, go to the upper right corner and click on Publish. This makes sure all the changes you made are live on your site. And that's it. You've added a PayPal button to your WIX website. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.